see the summary section rewrite. Okay, current is weak opening, optimized version. This is optimized version Claude has given to us. You can use that right away in your profile. Okay, so must have keywords for target roles. So these are the keywords you need to add for ATS page. Like LinkedIn will order your profile as per your keywords you have added in your profile. Okay, confidence 75%. Why? Yes, reason. Okay, so I have been shortlisted by this recruiter. Great, but he is not 100% confident. So that is something which I need to check for. Okay, these are the thought. My LinkedIn profile was solid, years of experiences, strong projects, good roles. Then I checked one number and it completely changed how I look at LinkedIn. I was showing up in just 90 recruiter searches in last 3 months. That not just low, that's a problem, because recruiters don't start with your resume, they start with search. They type keywords, LinkedIn shows profiles, and they contact the people they find. No search visibility equal to no opportunities. Simple. So the real question is, are you actually being found, or you just applying and hoping? In this video, I'm going to audit my own profile live, show you exactly what's wrong and how to fix it so recruiter actually sees you. So before we jump in, we are going to use Claude for this audit. Before that, I wanted to let you know about Claude. Claude is an AI tool similar to ChatGPT and Gemini that can analyze your LinkedIn profile the same way a recruiter or ATS system would, by looking at keywords, structure, and how searchable your profile actually is. But here's the important part. This is not about blindly trusting AI. I'm going to use it as a diagnostic tool and then apply real recruiters thinking on top of it. So what we are doing today is, we will take a LinkedIn profile, run a quick audit, identify what's broken and fix it live. You can follow the exact same process for your own profile with me. So please be with me. I will share my screen and I will show you how exactly I will be going to do these things. Alright, screen share time. Let me show you exactly what I'm doing so you can copy this right now. First, you need to open your LinkedIn profile just like this. You have this profile URL. Use this to open your profile. Now, I will tell you 2 ways to copy your profile. The first way is to download it from here, and the second way is to do a Command A if you're using Mac, or do a Control A if you're using Windows. So now this way you can copy your profile. The second thing is the prompt. This is how exactly I made this prompt. I will add this into a pinned comments too. You can use this or copy this, or I can keep that into a screen so that you can copy it right away while seeing this video. So this is how the prompt is written. Act as a senior technical recruiter. So in this way you are telling Claude that you are a technical recruiter with 15 plus years of experience hiring for top tier tech companies. Be direct, analytical, and brutally honest. Avoid generic advice. Back every suggestion with reasoning. For input, we will be sharing our profile just like how I shared. Like, you need to add a URL. URL is something LinkedIn don't allow, so better use this profile attachment. So I will add into the last. Okay. Now this is Claude.ai. You can open a new chat. So use this prompt. I can copy this prompt, paste it, and the profile which you downloaded, use plus icon to add the profile. So this is a profile which I have downloaded. This has all the things which is there in the LinkedIn profile. So yeah, you can use any of those. Now I'm pasting mine now. While Claude processes this, you can pause this video and do the same thing with your profile. Come back when Claude's done and we will read the output together. So it will take some time, like okay, it started to do. So senior technical recruiter audit, Nagesh Kumar Singh, DevOps and SRE engineer. Okay, deep profile audit, headline analysis. So it start with headline analysis. The current is senior DevOps and SRE engineer, GCP 5 certified, Terraform, Kubernetes, GitOps, platform info at the root, Roche. Okay, rating 6.5. So Claude gave me a 6.5 rating for my headline, so I need to fix it. Use too skill focus, lacks value proposition or outcome hook. 5x certified is mentioned in profile summary too. Redundant. Okay, so I need to remove it. Does not communicate what problems you solve. Okay, platform info at Roche is vague, doesn't convey scale/impact. Okay, no seniority indicator beyond senior, missing skills 2 or leads team. Okay, summary section, section analysis, rating 7 by 10, good foundation but could be sharper. Okay, strength, specific metrics. Okay, I have added some metrics. Even I suggested you that please add numbers, metrics, 10 plus engineering domains, 250 plus projects, 70% cost reduction, 40% deployment time reduction. Okay, so use this number. Clear progression through companies, mention both breadth, multi-cloud, GCP, AWS, Azure, and depth, Terraform, Kubernetes. Okay, ATS friendly, keyword density. So these are the good things which Claude found in my profile. Now talk about gaps and weaknesses. Opening line is weak. Senior DevOps and SRE engineer with 5 plus years is every DevOps engineer. Why you? Okay, great. Missing team leadership. Are you managing engineers, mentoring? No indication of seniority progression. Okay, missing business impact. Metrics are there but no tie to business outcomes. Example, 70% cost reduction, 2 million plus annual savings. Okay, passive language in some bullet points. Before this should be replaced with stronger connectors. Okay, I need to do that. No differentiations. This reads like 100 other senior DevOps engineers. Where your unique value? Okay, that's very good. Now comes to experience section. Rating is 6.5 by 10. Responsibility is listed but weak on impact. If I talk about role, Rosh current contributing to is weak. Every job contributes. Okay, so I need to change this. Designed and implemented lacks metrics. Okay, so I need to add some metrics like what I designed and what it outcome. Okay, reduced unnecessary cost spikes by how much. Okay, this is something which I need to add. 10 plus domains mentioned twice. Okay, so what he is talking about is whatever you written in this experience section, use it to add some values. Okay, so I need to add some numbers. Talking about Globant, managing an operating is vague. Okay, we need to add some values. Zero downtime releases is good but needs scale. How many deployments, how many months? Okay, I need to add these two. Tuning Apache Cassandra needs context. Cluster size, latency improvement. Okay, I need to add this. 66 degrees leading the setup or what size. Okay, so I need to add some values. Okay, that I able to get. Okay, now key missing elements. Team size, are you IC or managing? No indication. Scope of ownership, so I don't have scope of ownership right now in my profile, so I need to add. How many resources, budget do you control? Incident response, I need high severity incident leadership. Okay, so these are the gaps or missing elements I need to add. Skill section, rating 8 by 10, great, solid and ATS optimized but could be prioritized. Current GCP, Terraform, Kubernetes, Docker, GitLab, CI/CD, GitHub Actions. Okay, great breadth. No prioritization. All skills are equal weight. Should front load your top 3-5 strengths. Okay, great. Missing IAC frameworks beyond Terraform. Pulumi, Ansible, monitoring, Datadog, New Relic. So I need to add these. Right now I am using Grafana, so I can add that. Incident management, PagerDuty, Obsidian. Yes, I have used Obsidian in my previous roles, so I need to add those. Missing soft skills, documentation. Okay, that we all do for every feature we work, so we need to add that as a skill too. Okay, that is a very good point. Mentoring, communication, critical for seniors roles. Okay, so I can add that. So let's hope you are getting the same points. You can add those two in your profile. Certification, great. Rating is 9 by 10. This is a strong differentiator. 5 GCP certification is excellent for GCP heavy roles. Okay, but missing AWS, so I need to be multi-cloud. So I am started to learn Azure too. AWS I know a bit, but yeah, Azure something which I need to learn. So I have multi-cloud experiences. Missing context, when did you earn these? Implied 2024, 2025, but not explicit. Okay, education, the minimal borderline hurting you. Okay, was it strong? Problem for a senior 125. Education placement is too late. Should be bottom, not prominent. Okay, any projects, awards. Okay, so I need to add what projects I have worked in my last year, so I can add that. Overall ATS and recruiter readability metric, keyword density 8 by 10, formatting 6 by 10, metric 7 by 10, recruiter searchability 6 by 10, personal branding 5 by 10. Okay, critical gaps, what's hurting your shortlist chances? Node leadership signal. Okay, I need to add that. Metrics are underwhelming. Okay, great, I need to add those. Weak verb in key bullets, so I need to change this. Okay, there is something I think that is okay. No evidence of modern DevOps practices. Missing GitOps maturity, observability, impact, experience, duration, red flag, Globant 7 months. Okay, that is something which I know the reason. I can add that. Okay, no online presence indicators, GitHub link, I believe I have added those, but let me check. GitHub, do you have? Okay, so I need to add that. This is something which is great. Okay, I need to add that. Portfolio blog, speaking engagement, open source contribution. How far are you from a top of 1% in your domain? Certification, scale, gap, missing cloud breadth. Okay, smaller scope. I need to add some leadership, no people leadership, invisible to community, too broad, business acumen. Okay, high impact optimization. I need to update my headline. Okay, leadership forward. I need to add some leadership things. Okay, great. So there are some options Claude has given to us, given to me. I need to add those. Okay, let me see the summary section rewrite. Okay, current is weak opening, optimized version. This is optimized version Claude has given to us. You can use that right away in your profile. Okay, experience section rewrite. Again, current whatever is weak, you can use the optimized experience section. That's very good. For all your experiences, he has given the optimize experience section summary. Okay, so must have keywords for target roles. So these are the keywords you need to add for ATS based. Like LinkedIn will order your profile as per your keywords you have added in your profile. Okay, quick wins. Okay, great. Missing skills to add. I need to add Helm. Okay, Helm is not there. Some observability tool which I am right now working on Prometheus, which I can, Prometheus and Grafana, which I can add. Illumini. Okay, this is something which I have not worked, but let me see if we can add that. FinOps cost optimization, which I have worked, I need to add. PagerDuty, technical documentation, mentorship. Okay, resume is also something which has been added. I think this is the resume file is already being added. You can use that. Great. So this is the MD file. You can use that. Would I shortlist you? Answer yes, but with caveats. Confidence 75%. Why yes? Reason okay. So I have been shortlisted by this recruiter. Great. But he is not 100% confident. So that is something which I need to check for. Okay, these are the weak lines. Okay, what level do you fit? Mid level, no. Senior. So I am fitting into a senior role, which I am right now. Okay. Okay, great. Sweet spot, senior DevOps SRE engineer. This is your natural landing zone. Great. Where you stand in the market? Percentile, top 25 to 30%, not top to 1 to 5%. Okay, so I need to optimize this whole LinkedIn to be in at least top 10%. Great. So yeah, this is how expected salary range. So salary also he has added, total compensation. Also the action plan, week 1 what you need to do: update your resume, update your LinkedIn. Then day 3 add keywords, day 4 add job search setup. Great. So all the week 2 what in public visibility, GitHub. Yeah, if you have GitHub, add your projects, add your things in LinkedIn too. Okay, great. I think Claude has done a good job here adding everything. Yeah, same way you need to do that and get your LinkedIn audited and get your LinkedIn fixed. So this is the final recruiter takeaway. Nagesh is a solid senior DevOps IC with impressive GCP depth and proven cost reduction impact. He is in my top 30% of 4 SRE DevOps role. What holds him back from top 1%? No public visibility. So yeah, I have my LinkedIn GitHub profile, but I have not added here. So I need to add that. No team leadership and no AWS credentials. If he ships GitHub repos plus 3 blog posts plus AWS certificate, I would bump him to top 10%. Okay, so this is something which I need to do to come in top 10%. Here's a 6-month investment to become a staff level candidate. Great. So your next moves matter. Execute this plan and you will land top tier offers. So let me know what is the final recruiter takeaway for your profile. Add into a LinkedIn comments and I will see yours. Thank you so much for this for watching this video. I will come back with more parts of this whole series. So I'm planning to make a whole series for this cloud based things. So in the next video I will create a ATS based resume from Claude in 2 to 3 minutes. So yeah, please be with me. Do like and subscribe if I add value to your life, value to your things. So yeah, thank you and have a great day. Bye bye.